up, buddy? Well, you want to come up or something? Is that what it is?
Call now to order your two swivel sweepers at price of one. Each can include battery charger and mini sweepers, all backed by our 60-day guarantee. For just two easy payments of $19.99. Call 1-800.
You look confused. Hey, Rico, want a toothpick? Come on.
Introducing the revolutionary new Mogo, the performance bike and scooter hybrid. Where's your Mogo gonna take you?
It can be really simple and nice and slow, or it can be frustrating. You're pushing really hard.
Come on.
And you're using your quads. It's an awesome workout.
As part of Mogo launch in North America, we're offering this special $29.95 Mogo promo offer. We want everyone to have a chance to try it at least once.
There you go.
Making it easy for you. Just call and tell us your favorite color. Blue or yellow.
Sometimes I'm stressed out, pull the Mogo out of the garage, go for a kick, and when I get back, I feel great.
Where are you going?
I tell you, the Mogo is perfect for anybody. I haven't had this much fun on as I took my training wheels off when I was 3 years old.
For a limited time, you can call or go online to find out how you can try
Okay.
the Mogo for just $29.95. And then it even includes shipping. If you call right now, you'll also receive this limited edition Mogo Movement t-shirt and this Mogo water bottle. A $25 value, yours absolutely free.
Well, I love the Mogo because it's a low-impact exercise. It's always ready to go.
But it's fun. I mean, I love it. I would not trade it for anything.
The Mogo is not available anywhere else, so click or call
Why, you
now.
scared of the camera?
Mogo risk-free for just $29.95. Order your Mogo now.
Call now to get your Mogo.
Fine.
Free for only $29.95.